Hey, it's Jeff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. It's beautiful, it's sunny, it's been sunny all week, lots of bikes out. So, let's check out this week's Bike of the Week. Yeah, look at that, all the people coming to pick up their bikes, but here it is. Our Bike of the Week this week is a 2019 Fat Boy. Let's check this out. This has got tons and tons of customizations on it. Now, these are pretty similar to the new Fat Boys on them, but they do still have on the older ones the solid ones. This is cut out now on the new ones. This one has the chrome nacelle on it, on the front of it, but these ones still have the satin finish. You'll see this on the struts here, but this one, as they say, put some bars on it. This has got some huge apes on it. I believe these are 16s, some Carlinis, really nice with the chrome switch housing on it. Even got yourself a little classy timepiece on there. Some nice add-on mirrors with it as well. And it's got the pipe done. A 2-into-1 chrome Bassani on it as well, made to look like a nice solo bike. Just imagine maybe putting on a Thunder Bike fender on this thing. Pegs have been done on it. Shifter link here, little add-ons, derby cover as well. Front crash bar added on with some highway pegs, also matching here. Well, no, actually no, they're not matching. I lied about that. Matching the derby cover, matching the shifter link for some highway pegs here on it. If you want to stretch your legs out, as you got your fists in the breeze here. And now here's the other cool thing about this bike right here. Let's check it out. Yes, that is not a mistake. 51 kilometers, it's crazy. Super custom bike, 51K. This is basically a brand new bike, and it's available now. So yes, again, the sun is shining. Great day to pick up your bike or come pick up your new bike. We got lots of nice pre-owned and also lots of new bikes in stock. Give us a call, or we'd love to see you down here in beautiful Vancouver.